I'm gonna say point.
Caleb's got point. Caleb's gonna get hit right away. Boom! He's shot. Caleb. Oh, he's dead. Shoot it, Caleb. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him, Caleb. He's down. All right. We gotta medic him. Medic him.
Get up.
All right, you're up. Watch the corner. Watch the corner.
Watch the corner. Dad, you take point. Watch where you're aiming that gun. Caleb. Dad, you take point.
Oh, right there, right there. He's down. Oh, wow, that was close. That guy was right there. I saved you on that one. Okay, Casey's point. Casey got it. On the side, right there. Okay, he's down, he's down. Casey saved us. Casey saved us. Got jam. All right, we're good. Caleb, you got him. Take him out, Caleb. Take him out, Caleb. He's down. Okay, get the cover, get the cover. All right, Casey's up point. Up top, tree fort. Down. All right, go slow.
What's that?
In the ditch. Good shot, Caleb. And Casey, good job. Juggernaut, full auto. He's down. Where? Right there.
He's down.
Don't shoot the truck. He's down. Casey, over there. Bowling pin.
Oh, right there.
Down. Juggernaut over here. Where?
Second one, right over there.
Near the chimney, Casey. He fell down. On the ladder. We forgot the ladder. Down.
I think I'm out of ammo.
You're out of ammo? All right, Caleb. You got to call us out for us. Up top here. He's down.
Is there one on the ladder over there?
We got one. There's one left. I feel it. There's one left. No, we shot that one already, Caleb.
The one behind the wheelbarrow.
Behind the wheelbarrow, Caleb. Down. Wow, that ricocheted back. All right, let's clear the rest of the area. Spread out and clear it out. What are you barking at? All right, area looks clear. All right, put on safe.